Hello everyone, so if you want to turn the Do Not Disturb mode on or off on your XIAOMI Watch S3, first of all, swipe up to open up a quick settings panel. Now locate your moon sign, this is your Do Not Disturb mode, tap on it, and to simply activate it, press on, and now it's activated. To deactivate it, tap on the icon again and it will be deactivated. Now let's go to the settings. So here you can turn it on for 1 hour, turn it on for 4 hours, or you can press custom and schedule it. So either you can sync it with the phone, so when your phone turns on your D&D mode, the watch will be on D&D mode as well. Next thing is scheduled. If you turned it on, you can choose when to start and when to end. So simply, for example, want our Do Not Disturb mode to start at 10 AM and to finish at 7 AM. Simply leave the switch this way and it will activate automatically. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.